Okay, today I'm in Tannery Knobs Mountain Bike Park. This place is really cool. It's in Johnson City, Tennessee. This place has a handful of short, fun trails and a really, really nice pump track. Even with full suspension, I had great flow. But in this video, we're going to go over the Black Diamond Trail from the parking lot called Posse's Club. And it's just under a half mile. Alright, the start of this is definitely the hardest part. It's steep, it's chunky, and I shouldn't even have to say it, but the camera does not do it justice.
I don't understand what's wrong with me.
So after a few run-ups, I finally dropped in, and this trail was a blast. A couple small drops here in the beginning you had to commit to, but it was just great to rip down this trail.
This is a pretty fun trail. A little sketchy of a spot.
The exposure up here was real. It almost got into my head a little, like I'm definitely not used to that kind of stuff.
If you fall off of this, oh. I guess that's the whole Black Trail. Definitely a fun trail.
I envy anyone who lives nearby. This was a great place to ride. If you like this video, please like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.